Looking to add some ambience to your gazebo at night? Introducing the solar outdoor string lights led by FMART. With 100 feet of commercial-grade waterproof heavy-duty outdoor hanging lights and 30 LED shatterproof bulbs, these warm white lights are perfect for adding decorative lighting to your gazebo. If you're looking for something a bit more functional, the NIORSUN Solar Pendant Light is perfect for you. With an upgraded motion sensor and dimmable settings, these lights are perfect for sheds, barns, and gazebos alike. For a vintage touch, the KYY54FT solar string lights are the way to go. With remote control capabilities and Edison bulbs, these lights are both heavy-duty and all-listed for your porch or market. If you want commercial-grade lighting for your gazebo, look no further than the Brightech Ambience Pro solar-powered outdoor string lights. With shatterproof LED bulbs and 48 feet of soft white light, these lights are perfect for any outdoor occasion. And finally, the SUNTHIN 48 feet solar string light outdoor is a versatile option for your gazebo. With USB rechargeable capabilities and waterproof shatterproof bulbs, these lights are perfect for your backyard, porch, garden, pool, party, and camping needs.